Let's see if I can crochet a heart in less than 60 seconds. Start by chaining 2. 1, 2, row 1, make 2 single crochets in the first chain. 2, row 2, chain 1, turn your work, make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the second stitch. Row 3, chain 1, turn your work, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch, 1 single crochet in the third stitch, 2 single crochet in the fourth stitch. Row 4, chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the fourth stitch, 1 single crochet in the fifth stitch, 1 single crochet in the sixth stitch. For row 5, chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch all the way across. For row 6, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're going to skip the first stitch, make 5 double crochet stitches in the second stitch. 5, skip the next stitch, slip stitch in the following stitch, skip the next stitch, 5 double crochets in the next stitch. 5, slip stitch into the last stitch, and you are done. There's your heart.